What's happening YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download and install apps here on your iPhone device. Whether it's an iPhone or an iPad, and regardless of the iPhone model that you've got, this will work for you. If it's an iPhone 6, 7, 8 all the way to an iPhone 15, I'm gonna show you how to do it in this video. But do not forget, consider subscribing if you find my content useful at the end of the video. It really helps me out reaching more people and helping more people with tech tutorials. Now, jumping straight into the very first step in here, let's say you've just bought a new iPhone device and you just want to install new apps. Technically, you just need to hop into App Store, which is where you do have all the apps. Search for an app. For example, let's say I want to search for Puma app. I'm gonna simply tap on search in here, and then I'm gonna simply write Puma real quick, and then Puma app will show up real quick in here. As you can see, I do have it right here. Next thing I'm gonna do is simply tap on get, and then it's gonna ask me to type in my passcode or simply double tap and position my Face ID if I already do have Face ID or fingerprint activated here on my iPhone device. If that's the case, download will start immediately and I'm good to go. I just need to tap on open to launch that specific app. But as I've said, this is technically speaking, because if you do have a much newer iPhone, you probably don't have iCloud set up already or other important settings in here that will allow you to download apps, okay? So we need to also double check if you do have iCloud. So hop into settings real quick, and then here at the top, double check if you do have an iCloud account. If you do have, you'll be able to see probably a picture and definitely a name of the owner of that account. Now, if you simply see sign in here at the top, simply tap on it to sign in or to sign up to create a brand new iCloud account. Now, you can create the iCloud account straight from here, or you can hop into your internet browser and create it separately. For example, let me quickly open up my internet browser. Next up, we'll be going to iCloud.com, okay? So once we are on this website, which is iCloud.com, we'll then simply scroll down, tap on sign in, and then you'll be able to see a new page which asks you to type in your email or your phone number to sign in to your Apple ID or iCloud account. But it happens that you do not have one, right? So you need to tap here on create a new Apple ID account. That's the very important step in order to allow you to download apps on the App Store. Now you need to fill in the details in here with your name. For example, I'll be going with John, okay? I'll be going with Da Silva, for example, and then you do have the region that you need to select in here. I'll be going example in my case with United States, and then you do have the date of birth in here that you also need to give that information. Let's go with 7 July, and then I'll be going with 1997. Next up, we do have a section in here where we need to add our email address, okay? So in here, I'm gonna add here a random email. For example, in my case, it's gonna be this one right here. Let me quickly add it. Next up, you need to add in here your password. Your password needs to be strong, so it needs to follow here all the requirements of having at least 8 characters, 1 number, an uppercase letter, as well as a lowercase letter, and at least 1 special character in here. So I'll be going, for example, with BT50 Mazda 4. That will be my password. Okay, so it's okay, we need a special one. Let's go with arroba in here. Let's go BT50 Mazda 4. That's my password in here, for example. Next up, we need to insert a specific country code in here and a phone number. So let's select a country code in here, and then let me quickly add the phone number in here. Next up, it's gonna ask you whether you want to verify with a text message or a phone call. So I'll be going with text message, disable ads from Apple themselves. Now I need to type this code in here. I can't understand this one, so I'm gonna tap on new code. There we go. So this one's much easier. It's an F, an N, a C, C, and then an 8. That's what it looks like. Let me just tap on continue, and here we go. Now it's gonna send a verification code to my email address. Here we go. We do have the verification code right here, which is, let me quickly open it up. It's 547571. Okay, so it's 547571, right? There we go. It's now logging into my iCloud account. It's just verifying it real quick. Simply tap in here and then tap on continue. Here we go. It's now logging in. Next up, it's going to send me a verification code to my mobile number 515138. Okay. And then tap on continue and you'll be logged in with your new iCloud account. Here we go. Simply accept the term and condition, and you're good to go now. You can now log in with this same iCloud onto your iPhone device so you can proceed further. Now, next up, for example, let me quickly close iCloud in here and then let me hop into settings. Simply tap in here at the top. Log in with this iCloud that you've just created, insert the credentials by typing in your email, the password, and you're good to go. Now, once you scroll down in here, you're gonna search for App Store. We do have a few settings in here which are related to the App Store. I've just tapped on App Store, scroll down in here, and make sure that you do have your iCloud logged in here. You may be seeing a specific section in here if you do have a much older iOS software that asks you to log in, because logging into iCloud isn't all. You need to log into iCloud and you also need to log in separately to App Store. For example, let me quickly hop into App Store in here, tap on X, and if you tap in here at the top right corner, you do have an option to log in with an Apple ID account in here. So you need to also log in here in order for you to be able to download apps. Now, once you're good to go, you're done. Simply download apps, launch the apps. You can browse in here. You can see the top downloaded apps in your specific region. You can check the top downloaded games, top selling apps as well, and then you can use this for your benefit. I hope this video really helped you out, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section below if you do have any questions or doubts so we can discuss further. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq, where my main aim in here is to help all of you guys fixing tech related issues without spending money, without paying for a technician to a local engineer or anything like that, because in most cases you can actually fix all these issues or most commonly faced issues by your own at your home. Okay, so my aim is to help you guys with tech related content. Thank you for supporting. We've just hit 50,000 subscribers, and all this wouldn't be possible without your support in here. By subscribing, by liking, you actually keep me going, and this really helps me out so I can reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. My aim in here is to grow the channel as much as I can so I can reach out to more people, and of course, as I've just said, help out more people here with tech related issues. But of course, it's not easy to do it alone. This is a community. I want you guys to stay here with me, interacting in the comment section within the community tab as well by visiting the community in here so we can actually interact every single day. And if you have any doubt or any question by any means, feel free to leave it down in the comment section so I can actually reply to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate your help, and I hope we can actually reach 200k subscribers real soon. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.